Number 1. 1963 Ford F250, price $8,900. Featuring a bold red exterior, this truck is powered by a 292 cubic inch Y-block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering an authentic and engaging driving experience. With 88,000 miles on the odometer, it has stood the test of time and continues to run exceptionally well. Recently, it underwent a full tune-up, including an oil change and fresh fluids throughout, ensuring it remains in top mechanical condition. Running on gasoline, this F250 is not only a dependable workhorse but also a true head-turner, drawing attention and admiration wherever it goes. Whether on the road or at a car show, this classic Ford is a perfect blend of history, style, and performance. Number 2. 1981 Ford F150, price $3,700, with 64,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by the reliable 351 Windsor engine. The truck has a sleek black exterior paired with a matching black interior, running on gasoline. While it currently starts and idles, it will require work on the brakes and additional TLC to become roadworthy. At this time, it is not suitable for driving. However, as a California pickup, the body remains essentially rust-free, and its structure is straight and solid. The interior shows signs of wear with some blemishes but remains intact. Equipped with a full roll cage and harness, the truck retains all of its functional 4x4 components, ensuring its off-road capability. Additionally, it comes with an extra set of doors, complete with glass, adding value to the package. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,950, with a 5.7L engine, automatic transmission, and a black exterior. It has traveled 278,000 miles and has been regularly maintained, with oil and filter changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Recent work includes a new fuel pump, 3/4-ton leaf springs, new front and rear struts, a replaced water pump with fresh coolant, and a transmission fluid and filter change. The transfer case fluid has also been replaced, along with new spark plugs, wires, and a distributor. Additionally, a front hitch has been installed. While the truck is in solid mechanical condition, it has a few minor issues. The third door does not open, the transfer case has a small leak, and it burns a bit of oil. The driver and passenger doors are slightly sagging, the exhaust is broken off behind the muffler, and there is some minor corrosive rust. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 217,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 355.7-liter engine, it runs and drives exactly as it should. This truck has been the owner's personal daily driver and comes with a clean title, making it a dependable choice for its next owner. Sporting a sleek black exterior paired with a blue interior, this Chevrolet 1500 offers both style and comfort. It is equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and factory cruise control, ensuring a smooth and convenient driving experience. The bench seat is exceptionally clean and well preserved, currently protected by a seat cover to maintain its condition. Additionally, the truck will come with a new set of spark plugs, MSD wires, and a distributor, further enhancing its reliability and performance. Number 5. 1987 Ford F150, price $8,500, with 98,400 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a dependable 4.9L inline-6 engine. The truck has a striking blue exterior paired with a red interior and runs on gasoline. It comes with a clean title in hand and is equipped with air conditioning and an AM/FM radio for added comfort. The original transmission has been rebuilt, and the engine has been professionally tuned for optimal performance. Numerous new parts and upgrades have been installed, including new tires, a battery, alternator, spark plugs, TPS sensor, map sensor, air control valve sensor, position sensor, fuel filter sensor, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, fuel regulator, distributor cap, and radiator. The truck has also received a fresh paint job, new emblems, new wheel moldings, and other refinements to enhance its appearance and functionality. Number 6. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, price $4,800, specifically modified for off-road race support. With only 83,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent condition. It features an automatic transmission, a bold blue exterior, and a matching blue interior, maintaining a classic yet striking look. Running on gasoline, this truck is fully outfitted for high-intensity race chase operations. It comes equipped with a powerful light bar, KC lights, a race radio, and GPS for seamless navigation in demanding terrains. A flashing light is mounted on the top rack, which is specially designed to hold up to 8 tires, dump cans, a 55-gallon drum, a generator, and jacks, essential tools for supporting race vehicles in remote locations. Originally built to chase race cars in Mexico. Number 7. 1982 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,000, equipped with a 318 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With 83,300 miles on the odometer, this truck features a sleek black exterior and runs on gasoline. It has a clean title and performs well, with no mechanical issues. The 4x4 system functions flawlessly, making it a reliable choice for various driving conditions. Additionally, the truck has received numerous new parts, including a full dual exhaust system. However, there are a few minor issues. The fuel gauge is not working, the driver's side rear tire develops a slow leak after a week or two, and the passenger side tail light requires a new bulb. Despite these small fixes, the truck remains a solid and dependable vehicle. Number 8. 1968 Ford F100, price $7,000, features a blue exterior with a black interior and is equipped with a 302 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Recently, a new power brake booster and master cylinder were installed, along with a brand new Holley 2-barrel carburetor and a new heater core. The radiator has been flushed, and the drum brakes have been completely rebuilt. The battery is about a year old, and the truck starts and runs reliably. The current owner removed the transmission pan to replace the filter and inspect the quality of the Type F fluid. However, the transmission pan gasket did not seat properly, resulting in a leak that has yet to be fixed. This truck has spent most of its life in northern Alabama and still retains its original 1968 front license plate. When purchased, it came with a roll cage installed in the bed, adding to its unique character. Number 9. 1966 Ford F150, price $8,900, features an off-white exterior, automatic transmission, and a strong-running rebuilt 390 engine. It rides on new tires and boasts a dual exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound. Recent upgrades include a new brake booster, master cylinder, brake lines, and freshly added chrome trim for a polished look. While the truck is road-ready, the interior and electrical components still need finishing, offering a great opportunity for customization. With its vintage charm and modern upgrades, this classic is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a timeless yet personalized ride. Number 10. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled 150,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and a striking yellow exterior. The truck runs and drives well, with a fully functional 4x4 system, making it capable both on and off the road. The radio and speakers are in working condition, providing entertainment during drives. It is equipped with a small cam, giving it a deep, aggressive sound that enhances its presence on the road. A notable highlight of this truck is its recently rebuilt transmission, which has less than 500 miles on it, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Under the hood, it houses a 350 motor, though it is uncertain whether it is the original engine.